You're going to download the attached file. Then you're going to open up Notebook. I'm going to now open up that formative assessment. When you go to run it for the first time, it's going to, if you've never been in Smart Labs before, it will make you agree to the terms. I've already run it, so it doesn't make me. If this doesn't show for you, you're going to come over here. You will click on what looks like a little phone. You'll click on it. It will show up here. And then there's a little arrow right here that'll give you the pop-out. That'll actually give you the actual account number. So, and then I want to click this Start Activity. So now on my phone, I'm going to click Start Activity. I'm going to go to the classlab.com. Oops, now I wasn't fast enough, so I'm going to hit that pop-out again. And you can do that for anybody else that's in your classroom that didn't see that. I'm going to go to the classlab.com, and I'm typing in those numbers that you see right there so that I can actually take the assessment. Once I do that, it will actually ask me for a name, and I typed in me, and you can see that I'm in right now. And then I'm going to answer the questions on my actual mobile device. I could have pulled up a browser and done it side by side if you wanted to, so that you could see it at the same time. And I'll do that so that I have two screens going. So let me come over here and do the exact same thing over here. So I'm going to go to classlab.com. And I'm going to type in that number. And because I've already done this on me, it remembers me. So the kids will have the same thing. Once you've gone in as a person, it knows me. I'm going to type in a new name this time. And so you'll see right there that it knows me as a new name. It's a little small, but you'll see new name. I'll make it a little big for a minute. Okay. Now, as I start answering these, and I'll get rid of this so you can actually see me answer these at the same time. Okay, here's the question, and I can answer on my phone at the same time. So 2 plus 3, my answer is 5 on my phone. Oh, look, you can see stuff happening over here. I'm going to put 6 on my phone just so you kind of see what's going on. And then I'm going to go to the next question. Which shape represents a half? By the way, this also will blow up here if I click on this. So if you need to see it a little bigger, you can. So on this one, I'm going to put A and go to the next one. And on my phone, I'm actually going to pick D. If you could be anything when you grow up, what would it be? I am going to be a rock star. And I'm going to be a teacher on my phone. And then, what color is this? Looks like burnt orange to me. Next question. Select all that apply. Which ones equal a half? So on this one, I'm only going to pick one of the choices and go on. On my phone, I'll pick both of the right answers because I know there's 2 of them. And then you'll notice it gives me a chance here to hop back to any of them. I'm going to submit. And you actually see, and I'll make it a little bigger here so that you can actually see a little bit more. You'll actually see 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. This is a different me, so therefore it didn't answer. I could have removed me before I started. And that's why it's only 66%, because this 1/3 right here is not logged in. But now I'm done, so I am going to end it because my 2 people that were there are done. And you will see as I go through it, one person got it right, one person got it wrong, and this is the one person that didn't answer that 1/3. And as I go through, same thing, you can go through each question. And this is the word cloud. But I could also see it as a list and frequency. Keep going through it. Here's the opinion question. One person put B and C, which was the correct answer. One person just put B, and one person didn't do anything. But now I can also export the results. Let me put that on my desktop. So there's the me. There's my correct for each one, incorrect, my different responses, And then here is the actual activity. So if I wanted to be able to see what my questions were, I knew what they were. I'm going to come back, and you'll notice that these two were opinion because there was not a right or wrong answer. But it will also give me the option here of helping grade something differently. So this person got a 67, this person got a 33. What we're going to take a look at in this section, though, is what are the ones that got it wrong? How do we help those people that got it wrong? So, for instance, if this is a wrong answer, how do we help them? If they all picked A, how do we help them? What was A doing that was different? Were they adding when they should have multiplied? Were they picking the verb when they should have picked a noun? Those types of things. So this will also help you drill down into some of the misconceptions that some of the students have. So that's where this type of data will be able to help you.